Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to take a look at some free resources that you can use in your Figma file or any project that you're working on. So today we are going to talk about icons, where you can find them. So for example, if you're working on a project and definitely you need icons, then instead of just doing a simple Google search or going to a website where they will charge you, I'm going to show you some resources where you can get it for free. And also these are like fully customizable, and the thing is they have the complete set. So oftentimes it happens that you go find a good icon and you find 3 or 4 icons, and then if you want to find other icons like that, sometimes it becomes a problem finding them, and then you will have to either change all your icons or just go ahead and recreate it in Adobe Illustrator or something like that. So instead of doing that, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the resources that I'm going to share, which will provide you with complete free icons which you can use for both your personal and commercial applications. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So this is a simple frame that I've created inside of my Figma file, and so let's go ahead and talk about the first plugin. So when we click on the main menu, we go to plugins. We'll see there is a plugin called Iconly Pro, and if you don't know how to add plugins, you can go to plugins and then go to manage plugins and simply search for Iconly Pro. So as you can see, we have the Iconly Pro right here. You can click on it and it will just load. And if you take a look at this simple plugin, you will see that they have all of the different variants of it. So for example, you can find light icons, you can find light outline, you can find bold, you can find broken, you can find bulk, you can find two tones, and also you can specify the types of the icons that you're looking for. So for example, you can find sharp, you can find regular, and you can also find curved. So there are a lot of icons inside of these, and let's just say if I want the bold icon pack, I can just click on it, and once I do that, I can either just go through all of these or simply go ahead and search for something. So let's just say if we are looking for a search icon, then we can see that we have multiple variations for the search icon itself, and as you can see, we have lots of search icons and different kind of icons. And all you need to do is, let's just say if I like this icon, I can just simply go ahead and drag and drop it right here, and as you can see, we now have the search icon right here inside of our Figma design. And if you want, we can just go ahead and customize it however we like. And for example, we can change the color, we can also make gradients if you want, and in the same way you can just go ahead and look for different types of icons. And let's just say if I like this one, I can just go ahead and again drag and drop inside of my file, and we can just go ahead and double click on this and we can change it, and then I'll just double click on the stem and I will change the stem to something like this. Okay, yeah. And as you can see, we have the complete control. So currently the stem is 40% pass through. We can just go ahead and make it 100% if you want. So this is totally up to you. And all of the icons present here, you can just go ahead and all you need to do is just drag and drop it and use it inside your Figma project or whatever you're working on. So for example, I like this light icon for this one. Also be aware that the icons with this icon is premium, like you can't use it for free, but most of what you will need can be covered in the free plan only. So if you can manage with this plugin, it's really nice, and if you can't, I'm just going to show you other resources as well. So this was the first one, which is called Iconly Pro, and then we can go ahead and click on these brand icons. So same procedure, if you want to add it in your design, you can just go to manage plugins and then search for brand icons, and it will just appear right here. So in this brand icons, you can go ahead and search for any brand. So let's just say if I'm looking for Instagram icon, I can just click on it and drag and drop it. And again, as I said, it is also fully customizable. You can just go ahead and adjust any color, choose any gradient, whatever you want. So if I want to make it red, if I want to make it blue, I can do that, no problem. And in this plugin, you can just go ahead and find all kind of brand icons. So Instagram, Facebook, or whatever you're working on, you can just go ahead and drag and drop it in your file and you're off to races, no worries. So as you can see, we can just make it work without any problem. So these are the most commonly used icon packs that I use. And like, if you still don't want to use it using any plugins, you can take a look at this free icons pack. It have 1800 plus icons. So, and also this icon pack is free for personal and commercial use. And if you want, you can put some suggestions on this email, and if you want to donate to the author, and then feel free to donate. And as you can see, we have like 1800 different icons right here. So these are also neatly categorized. So if you want to add something, if you want to, let's just say if you want the add icon, you can just go ahead and copy it and paste it inside of your design, and it will just reflect right here. And like every other icon, it is again fully customizable. Do whatever you want, change any color you want. And let's just go through some of them. So for example, add, date, navigator, archive and box, cross, multimedia, and as you can see, we have upload, download, load, burger menus, and different kind of icons. Everything is just right here and it's free. So if you want, you can either directly search it inside of the community. The name of the icon is Let's Icon, and if you don't want, I can just provide the link in the description itself, so that won't be a problem. So these are some of the ways you can use the Figma resources, and we also have some other resources as well. So for example, one of the resources that I often use is called Icon Monster. And okay, I will accept the cookies, and as you can see, we can just go ahead and search for anything. So we can say hamburger icon, and once you click on it, you will see lots of icon. And the best part about this website is, once you click on, let's just say I like this hamburger icon, so I will just click on it, and it will give me the option to either export it as an SVG or a PNG. And if I want, I can just go ahead and click on PNG, and once I click on PNG, it will let me customize it right here. So I can select the scale of it, if I want it in the highest quality 240px, or we can just go ahead and adjust the color as well. So if I do it green, if I do it blue, just like this, then it will reflect. And once I download it, then it will be downloaded in this color only. But I will suggest you to simply go ahead and choose the SVG option and download it. Just import it inside of your Figma file, and then again you can just go ahead and customize it because it's an scalable vector graphics SVG. So these are some of the resources that I use for my personal icon uses. And if you have some other great design resources that you use, or you personally use, or you would like to share, be sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I will definitely make a second part of it, and we can discuss more tools. So this was a simple and short video on how you can use icons inside of your Figma project or any project that you're using. So if you like this video, please be sure to leave a like. Have a great day, and as always, thanks for watching. Peace.